It's the most fundamental thing that we do, yet most people don't think about it. But what if I told you that if we simply control our breath, we can lower stress, sharpen our focus, and even reach deeper levels of self-awareness? In today's video, we're going to dive into breath work, what it is, why it's so powerful, and how we can use it for both deep relaxation and high energy activation. Breathwork is an ancient practice found in cultures across the world. Yoga, martial arts, meditation, and even in warrior traditions. It's about using specific breathing techniques to influence the mind, emotions, and energy levels. Think of it like this. Breath is the bridge between the conscious and the subconscious mind. So if you can control your breath, you can control your state of being. There are two main ways that we use breath work. One, for calming the mind and preparing for deep, relaxed inner work. And the other, for boosting alertness and energy for various tasks and deep, energetic inner work. Let's look at the techniques that will help ground and center you ready for shadow work. When we're stressed, anxious, or preparing for deep inner work like shadow work, we want to engage the parasympathetic nervous system. This is a part of ourselves that help us with rest, reflect, and process emotions. Here are 3 powerful breathing techniques that can help you. Deep diaphragmatic belly breathing. Breathe in through your nose, let your belly rise. Exhale through your mouth, let your belly fall. Try it with me. This is best for grounding, relaxation, and emotional regulation. 4-7-8 breathing, relaxation and emotional release. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Feel the tension melt away. This is best for deep relaxation and letting go of emotional weight. Box breathing, balance and focus. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4, and hold for 4. Try it a few cycles and feel how the balance sets in. This is best for bringing focus and emotional stability before deep work. Now, what if you need energy? You're feeling sluggish and unfocused. These techniques will fire up your nervous system and have you ready for action. Fire breath, energy and transformation. Short, sharp exhales through the nose. The inhale happens naturally. Let's do 5 together. This is best for boosting mental clarity and energizing the body. Dragon's breath, power and activation. Inhale deeply, then fully exhale. Keep it strong, keep it rhythmic. This is best for breaking through mental fog and increasing power. Alternate nostril breathing, balancing and centering. Inhale through the left nostril, hold, exhale through the right nostril. Finish the set and then switch sides. This balances both hemispheres of the brain. This is best for bringing clarity and emotional balance. Breathwork is a simple yet powerful tool. Whether you want to calm your mind, focus your thoughts, or build your energy, you now have the tools to control your breath and by extension, your life. Try incorporating these techniques into your daily life, whether that's before meditation, journaling, or before deep personal work. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.